Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I will be teaching you how to make these clear custom dessert plates. What I am going to use is this Creative Station machine by Siren. This is 9 inches wide. I also need these dessert plates. I found these at Party City and they are 7 inches wide. I am also going to need this koala photo glossy paper, and this is 61 pounds. Everything that I use today will be listed down in the description below. The first thing I am going to do is I am going to open up Canva, hit create a new design. Custom size is going to be width 8.5 and the height 11 inches. Then you are going to select elements and you are going to type in photo frame. And you're going to select this one that it's a circle. For this one, it doesn't matter yet how big or how small, because then we're going to adjust it. So I'm just going to make it big where I can see it. Okay, so since I already have my pictures uploaded, I'm going to select on the background. All these photos, I found them on Google. So I'm just going to adjust it the way that I wanted to. Make sure that once you put the picture in and you have it the way that you like it, you hit the lock button. If you do not hit the lock button when we add a second picture, it's going to replace it. So just make sure so it doesn't move around, you hit the lock button. Since I already have my characters here as well, I'm just going to adjust them the way that I need them. So I think about right here looks okay. And now I am going to add my text. In this video, I'm using the Canva Pro, so some of the fonts are not available in the free version. So I am just going to type Isabella's second birthday. Now I'm going to just make this big so I can see it. And on this one, I am going to change the font. The one that I liked was this bright wall. Okay, and I actually like the pink and this flower back here. So for that, I'm going to highlight my text. Go here where the color option. Add a new color, and I'm going to use the droplet to highlight that pink flower. So see how my pink font has updated. I'm going to move the characters back. And I'm going to highlight this again. I'm going to select effects, shadow. Down here where it says color, I'm going to change that to black. So that's how I want the photos to print out. Now I am going to hit share, download, and I'm going to select PNG, and I also want a transparent background. You hit download. And I'm going to name this as Cantico's Custom Plates. Hit save, open up Cricut. And from here, I'm just going to upload the image that we had saved. And I want the print and cut version. Okay. This is where you want to adjust the sides. For those 7-inch plates that I got, I want to make the width 5.20. And that way it can fit. And I'm just going to hit make. And I can only fit one per sheet. So once I select that one, I am going to hit continue. Send to printer. And for this one, I'm using the Epson 2800 series. I'm going to turn bleed off and use the system dialog. For the media quality, I am going to change that to photo high glossy photo paper and print at the best quality. So just select print. Now that I have my sheet printed out, I am going to send it to my Cricut to cut. Since this is a thicker cardstock, I am going to cut it on the heavy cardstock setting. And that's how it comes out printed. Now I'm going to grab my creative station. Okay, so since I want the sticky part to be at the top, I am going to place it facing down. So I'm going to open this up, face it down, and then with my hand I'm going to slowly move it, and then I'm going to just turn the lever. So now that I see that it has came out, I'm going to use the little cutter here and take it out. Okay, now I'm going to grab my scoring stylus and I'm just going to do the shape around it. That way the glue can stick in on that side only. So I'm just going to move it, make a circle around it. Okay. And you're going to remove this plastic film right here. You can trash this, you're not going to need any more. Now I'm going to turn this back. I'm going to remove the white paper back slowly. Here's my clear plate and I'm just going to try to align it as much as I can. Now I'm going to grab it from right here from the back and I'm just going to smooth it out to make sure that the glue can stick enough. Here is the final result of all the plates I have done. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any other recommendations of another video you want to see, please let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, thank you for watching.